Either of you guys seen Dexter?
I recently
haven't.
watched like part of season 1, like a lot of season 1. You got any thoughts on it?
It's very steeped in post 9/11 American culture in a lot of ways. It's very pro police, even while you can't help but root for the vigilante killer protagonist.
Yeah.
But that that's a show that has a really interesting and convoluted history now that it's gotten 3 separate spin-offs. I'm not sure if a lot of people realize that, but it had season 1 to 8, which notoriously had one of the worst finales of all time at the end of that. And 10 years later, they come out with Dexter New Blood, which is just a slap in the face to fans because they take a bad ending and make it even fucking worse. And then a few more years go by, and they introduce a flashback show with Dexter and Patrick Gibson playing his younger incarnation. And finally, they continue the story after Dexter New Blood, and he's still alive. Survived the bit of a spoiler here. Survived the fatal gunshot wound that killed him. And I think so much of the mystique of Dexter is that he's just unkillable, and it's kind of fun to see him back in action again. It's a well done show. Peter Dinklage, Kristen Ritter. Really surprising cast. I think they had Neil Patrick Harris even in it. If I'm
Oh,
correct.
really?
Yeah, it was a
What's